DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Just getting those?
What's that?
Are you just getting those?
Yeah. You're really cute.
368 for you.
Here. Thank you.
Do you want a receipt?
What's that?
Do you want a receipt?
Please. Is there change? It's 368 you said? Oh. Thank you. Have a good day. Did you hear Santa Claus got arrested?
I didn't.
He went to this bar and this girl got all pissed off at him, and so they finally called the cops and arrested him. And then he went to court and he's up on the witness stand and the DA is glaring at him. He goes, "Did you or did you not call this lady a hoe? Not once but 3 times."
Wow.
You get it? Ho ho ho.
I get it.
Bye. Well, she was pretty unfriendly. You gotta go try to eat. Thanks, Murray. If you need a number, it's 57. Wow, you a model?
No.
You're tall enough. Peace.
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 Have you done that before?
Yeah.
You've done this before where you touch fingers? Like this? A peace touch?
I think so.
I invented that.
Oh wow.
And I'm trying to get it to go viral.
There you go.
So, you guys have to pass it on.
Okay. Okay.
You know what I mean?
Pass it on.
You get a peace sign, and if they give it back, you just reach out your fingers,
There you go. There we go.
and you say, "You met the guy that invented it."
There we go. Okay.
You know?
Right.
Okay, bye. We're trying to get the world to chill out. Thought you were stalking me.
Oh, maybe I would.
Would you?
No.
I need somebody to stalk me.
Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. and it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And this is, it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you know, log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, you know. Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, you know. I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got a, if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And then some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.